The fourth program is the ENCORE program, and this is a really special one. It is a certification for other women who've been through hair loss, have kind of arrived at this place with their hair loss. Not arrived, because none of us have arrived. Some of us have a little bit more experience under our belts, but we're all still on the journey. But this is for women who have sort of arrived at a place with their hair loss, that they're ready to reach out and help other women. It's a certification for women who also want to be a hair loss coach. I love this. I love equipping other women with the skills and the tools to go out there and really make a difference in other women's lives. You're already doing it. You're already doing it. If you're reaching out to other women and you're really trying to help them along their journey, and you're confident to share parts of your journey, because I think it's really important that people are pretty confident to talk about their hair loss. They feel some peace with it. I don't know that you ever feel 100% peace with it, but they feel some peace with it. It is a 6-month program. It's such an opportunity for you to flip the script on this, and now you can turn something that's not really pleasant into something that can really help other women.